Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another behind the scenes video. In this video, I'm going to be doing an indoor photo shoot using off-camera flash. I'll be walking you through my thought process into how we created some of these shots, some things that worked, some things that weren't working, and then you'll get to see how the photos turned out. So enjoy the video. All right, now for this shoot, we're going to be shooting with the Canon R5, as well as two lenses. We'll be using the RF 28-70 f2 and the 85mm 1.2. For off-camera flash, I've got the Godox AD400 PRO, and I have a 32-inch SoftBox that I'll be using to light the subject. So we started the shoot in the window using that really soft light coming from the window behind those shears. Those shears, curtains you can get from like Target or Walmart for like 10 bucks a pop. So they're really great if you have a window that gets some sunlight to be able to use that natural light. You use the Godox AD400 on the inside to light the subject so that your subject is still evenly lit, and so it makes for some really clean looking photos. When we looked at these photos though, we decided let's try and shoot from a different angle because we didn't really necessarily like them in camera. After I got home and looked at them in Lightroom, I was like, oh, actually I really like these photos. But that takes us on to our next set. So these next photos, I was shooting from a different angle, more towards the window, and I didn't really like how you could see the shears. I feel like it kind of took away from the image in and of itself. And so what I did was I moved to the right just a little bit, and I was able to get this photo right here. And I just loved the way it looked. And so I decided to do an entire set from this angle. So here's some of the photos.
I'm so done. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, these are fantastic.
I'm at 70. I want to switch out to it.
Fantastic. Oh, yeah, that'd be great. That's good. That's perfect. Stay right there? Yes. Good. Look towards the window. Yes. And then give me your eyes right here.
And then I want you to take that right hand and just set it on your shoulder right there. Good. Fingers together. Yeah.
That light actually works perfectly. Like that rim light, like on your hair, is great. That's perfect. Give me, oh yeah, do that again, look up again. I love that. Yeah, you ready? I'm just gonna keep shooting. There you go. Look back towards the window. Good. Good, Rebel. That's great. Yeah. Bring that right leg closer to right there. Fantastic. Yes. Good. Oh, let's go. That looks great. That looks great.
Whoa, you're like.
This is what I wanted.
Take a, oh, this is perfect. I just want, actually, this may work. I want you to take a slight step forward. No, I'm sorry, you're forward. Right there. Same thing? Yes. Just let it just flow with it. Perfect. Good. Fantastic. Yep. Love these. Feel free to turn towards me. Good. Hips to the left. There it is. Look to the right. Yes.
That's fantastic. Oh my God. One more time. This time look at me.